We've been hearing a ton of rumors and leaks. Should I upgrade, or just curious about what Apple has in store? We're diving into the top 15 biggest changes, from the standard 16 and 16 Plus to the Pro and Pro Max. Display sizes, camera upgrades, battery life, new features, and design tweaks. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, and let's get into it. Let's talk display size. Apple is going bigger with the Pro models this year. The 16 Pro is going from 6.1 inches to 6.3 inches, while the 16 Pro Max is going from 6.7 inches to 6.9 inches. All models are getting thinner bezels thanks to Apple's border reduction structure. This pushes the display closer to the edges, giving more screen without a bigger footprint. Apple is sticking with the notch for now, but thinner bezels might make it less noticeable. Alright, moving on to the cameras, which are always a huge focus for iPhone upgrades, and this year is no different. The main camera sensor on the iPhone 16 Pro Max is getting a significant upgrade. We're talking a jump from the current 1 over 1.28-inch sensor to a massive 1 over 1.14-inch sensor. A larger sensor means more light can be captured, which translates to better low-light performance, improved background blur, less noise in your images, and overall just better image quality. Now, the leaks haven't confirmed if this new sensor will be coming to the smaller 16 Pro, but my guess is that it'll be exclusive to the Pro Max, at least for this generation. Either way, this new sensor has the potential to be a game changer for iPhone photography, especially for those who like to shoot in low light or want the best possible image quality. Now, the main camera isn't the only one getting some love. The ultra-wide camera on both Pro models is also getting an upgrade this year. We're expecting a new 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor with pixel binning and Pro RAW support. Pixel binning combines data from multiple pixels into one larger pixel, which results in better low-light performance and dynamic range. With Pro RAW support, you'll have even more control over your ultra-wide shots in post-processing. Okay, let's talk zoom. Last year, Apple introduced a periscope telephoto lens on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and this year it's coming to the smaller 16 Pro as well. That means both Pro models will now have that impressive 5 times optical zoom, which is a huge step up from the 2 times or 3 times zoom we've seen on previous iPhones. A periscope lens uses a prism to bend light, which allows for a longer telephoto lens to fit inside the phone without making the camera bump insanely large. This means you can get those zoomed-in shots without sacrificing image quality, which is a huge win for anyone who loves taking photos of distant subjects, or just wants more flexibility with their mobile photography. Alright, let's talk battery life, because who doesn't want their phone to last longer on a single charge? The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to pack a massive 4,676 mAh battery, up from the 4,323 mAh battery in the 15 Pro Max. Battery life isn't just about capacity, it's also about efficiency, and Apple's A18 chip is expected to be even more power efficient. So we could see some impressive battery life gains on the iPhone 16 series. Now, speaking of topping up, let's talk charging speeds, because nobody likes waiting around for their phone to juice up. The iPhone 16 lineup is rumored to support even faster charging speeds than before. We're talking 40 watts wired charging and 20 watts MagSafe charging. To put that into perspective, the iPhone 15 series maxes out at 27 watts wired and 15 watts MagSafe charging. Imagine being able to charge your phone from 0 to full in under an hour. Faster charging is always a welcome addition. Chapter 7. A18 chip. Alright, let's talk processing power, because a new iPhone means a new A-series chip. And this year, we've got the A18 chip to talk about. Both the standard iPhone 16 models and the Pro models will be powered by the A18 chip. However, the Pro models are expected to get a slightly more powerful variant of the A18 chip, likely with more GPU cores or higher clock speeds. The A18 chip is rumored to be built on a more advanced 3nm process, which means it'll be more power efficient and offer even better performance than its predecessor. We're talking smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and AI enhancements. Beyond raw processing power, Apple is also focusing heavily on AI enhancements with the iPhone 16 series. The A18 chip is rumored to include a more powerful neural engine, which is dedicated specifically to handling AI and machine learning tasks. This means we can expect even smarter features, improved voice recognition, and enhanced computational photography capabilities. Apple is also reportedly working on a bunch of generative AI tools, similar to what we've seen with ChatGPT and other AI models. AI is going to play a huge role in shaping the future of the iPhone, and the 16 series is just the beginning. Chapter 9 Action Button. Let's move on to some of the more tangible changes, like the Action Button. You know that customizable button that debuted on the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max? Well, good news, it's coming to all iPhone 16 models. Even the standard iPhone 16 and 16 Plus will now have this handy button that you can customize to perform various actions, like launching the camera, turning on the flashlight, or even triggering a shortcut. It's like having a dedicated shortcut button right there on the side of your phone. I'm glad to see Apple bringing this feature to all iPhone 16 models because it's something that everyone can benefit from. Chapter 10. But wait, there's more. In addition to the Action Button, Apple is also introducing a new button with the iPhone 16 series, the Capture Button. This button will be located on the bottom right side of all iPhone 16 models, right where your thumb naturally rests when holding the phone. As the name suggests, it's designed specifically for camera functions. You'll be able to tap it to focus, press and hold to take a photo, and even use swipe gestures on it to zoom in and out. The Capture Button puts all the essential camera controls right at your fingertips, making it easier than ever to capture those spontaneous moments. Chapter 11. Okay, let's talk storage because with cameras getting better and file sizes getting larger, we can always use more space, right? Well, the iPhone 16 Pro models are rumored to offer up to a whopping 2 terabytes of storage. That's right, 2 terabytes. Now that's in addition to the existing 1 terabyte option, which is already a ton of storage. This is clearly aimed at professional users or anyone who shoots a lot of photos and videos, especially in those high-resolution ProRAW and ProRes formats. 2 terabytes is enough to store a ridiculous amount of data. You could practically shoot an entire feature film on your iPhone and still have space left over. Chapter 12. Alright, let's talk wireless speeds because the iPhone 16 Pro models are rumored to be among the first smartphones to support Wi-Fi 7, the latest and greatest in Wi-Fi technology. Now, Wi-Fi 7 is still in its early stages, but it promises some insane speeds. We're talking theoretical speeds of up to 46 gigabits per second. With Wi-Fi 7 you can expect even faster download and upload speeds, smoother streaming and overall just a better wireless experience. Of course, to take full advantage of Wi-Fi 7, you'll need a compatible router and a pretty beefy internet plan, but hey, a tech enthusiast can dream, right? Okay, this next one might seem like a small detail, but I know a lot of you are going to appreciate it. Apple is reportedly introducing a new set of wallpapers with the iPhone 16 series called AMOLED Aura. These wallpapers are designed specifically for iPhones with OLED displays, and they feature these stunning pitch-black backgrounds with these unique, almost ethereal landscapes. Because they're mostly black, they're incredibly battery efficient. If you're looking for a way to extend your iPhone's battery life, using one of these AMOLED Aura wallpapers is a great way to do it. Now let's talk colors because Apple always likes to introduce new finishes with each iPhone release, and the 16 series is no exception. This year the Pro models are rumored to come in 2 new color options, Desert Titanium and Titanium Gray. Desert Titanium is said to be a muted gold, kind of like a more subtle and sophisticated version of the gold iPhones we've seen in the past. And Titanium Gray is rumored to resemble the back of the iPhone 6, which was a fan favorite for its sleek and minimalist design. I'm always a sucker for new iPhone colors, and I think these 2 new options sound really promising. So, there you have it. The top 15 biggest changes coming to the iPhone 16 lineup. From larger displays and camera upgrades to faster charging and a new A18 chip, there's a lot to be excited about. Apple continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with a smartphone, and the iPhone 16 series is shaping up to be another impressive step forward. Which of these changes are you most looking forward to? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, thanks for watching. If you're as hyped for the iPhone 16 as I am, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos covering